Hello, Maranatha. My name is Corey Bianchi-Rossi, Chief Advancement and Design Officer. What an amazing first month of school we had at the Academy. This is the main recap video where we highlight a few outstanding events, activities, and achievements we had over the past months. Let's take a look back at that first month of school. Before we get into some of these events and activities, I would like to congratulate seniors Eli Marvel and Jackson Mueller, who are among the 50,000 students recognized by the National Merit Scholarship Program across the entire country. Additionally, Eli is one of 16,000 students named as a semifinalist, representing less than 1% of each state's high school seniors, and has an opportunity to advance to the finalist level and compete for national merit scholarships. Congratulations to both Maranatha seniors. The year officially got started with their annual back-to-school night. The building was buzzing with energy as families gathered for the first time since early June. Students got reacquainted, met their teachers, tried their locker combos, which, as you can imagine, can be somewhat challenging, and parents were able to visit information tables and meet the staff. The highlight of the night was the General Assembly, where Head of School Deb Larson shared this year's theme verse and vision for the year. The principals made appearances with their teams, and there were some fun videos, and Mrs. Jenna Globe anchored the back-to-school night studio to deliver the updates. In the end, everybody left ready to be rooted and built up in Him as we lean into the 23-24 school year. The paparazzi were ready for the first day of school. Well, okay, maybe it was just all the parents with their phones out, but either way, we rolled out the red carpet, welcoming the upper school first, and then on the following day, pre-K through grade 4 were the stars of the show. As we all know, the first day of school brings about many emotions. Some are elated to have some free time in a quiet house, while others are a little more somber, saying goodbye to their kids for the entire day. To commemorate the occasion, we hosted a Boohoo Yahoo event after drop-off during the first week of school. Knowing that this year was going to be a slam dunk, we had Dunkin' Donuts available and coffee for our guests. It was a great time for parents to meet each other, and we even found out we had some alumni staff and parents who graduated from MCA the same year. Just last week, we kicked off our Meals for Minneapolis outreach and fundraiser. Here are some fun facts. This is our 11th year, and over the previous decade, students have packed over 300,000 meals, and families have raised over $790,000. This year, we hope to raise another $150,000 for the school and pack another 60,000 meals for local food shelves. Please do all you can to help us reach our goals. Go to www.mcamustangs.org/meals for more information. Mustang athletics fall sports are in full swing. Girls soccer started the year with a tough non-conference schedule under new head coach Cindy Roberson and are currently 1-8-1 on the year. Anna Sather had a hat trick in their game against Fridley and is leading the team in goals scored. Boys soccer is coming off a historic season and seem to be up to the challenge to make another run at state this year. The Mustangs already have a victory against Legacy Christian Academy, who they faced in a third-place game last season. The team is led by a strong returning core of players, including Jaden Dimitrov, Grant Bennett, and Grayson Rennie. Jaden already has a hat trick this year. Volleyball is under some new leadership this year. Athletic director Drew Rangieri is one of the best coaches in the area and has taken on the challenge of elevating the Mustangs volleyball program. Currently, the team has 3 wins and 2 losses in this young season. Destiny Wiggins leads the team with 46 kills, and Ashley Yost leads the team with 27 service aces. Cross country has a longtime coach at the helm. It's Justin Fadd, and he has poured into his runners for the last few seasons, and it's now showing signs of progress. Many new runners have joined the team, and many personal bests have already been achieved in their first 3 meets of the season. The fall co-op sports are also in action. In girls swimming, MCA co-ops with Osseo. This season, we have 3 girls competing: Adriana Mascarenas, Paige Krings, and Zoe Shoulder. All 3 swimmers have contributed to a nice start of the season, including a home victory over Park Center. Mustangs football players co-op with Providence Academy and are making a huge impact. This year, MCA has 15 athletes participating in the co-op, including many starters. Senior Solomon Martin has had a great start to the season, scoring a touchdown in each of the first 3 games and breaking a record for kickoff returns this season. Senior Max Klassen also leads the team with 130 receiving yards. Well, what a great start to the year we've had. Stay rooted in Him, Maranatha.